Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to BSS Online Educations. I'm MB Soil sir, your maths teacher. Today I'm here to teach you exercise 2.1, rest of them, and 2.2, page number 8 and 9. Let's start 2.1, whatever we left previous classes. Question number 3 we didn't do in 2.1. Question number 3, if we follow that, we can see they said, look at this diagram. Where is the diagram? This is the diagram they have given. This diagram they are said to follow that. And they said, mark the parallel sign is this and perpendicular sign is this. So before starting this work, I'm just telling you the basic concept about the parallel line. Parallel line is exactly opposite line, look like in a train line. They never connect each other, but they are. So we can see here, parallel line is exactly opposite line. It's never connect each other, it's exactly opposite sides. And perpendicular is the right angle lines, as you can see that L shapes. Okay, now come back to this one. First of all, if I follow these line exactly opposite which line? GH line. Again I'm showing, if we clear all these were now simple, exactly opposite line CD line, opposite line is GH line, so that's why I just mark it over here, this parallel sign. And AV line exactly opposite to the EF line, that's why I just mark it over here. Exam time these diagram they will draw and you just mark like me, like this. And perpendicular comes to the perpendicular. Perpendicular, as I said to you, this right angle, target the right angles over here. So if you see that right angle signs, I can go over here. This is a one right angle over here, 1 2 3 and 4. So as I said that mark like this, so we have done the marking. So A number is done. Move on to the next. B number detailing which lines are parallel to each other. We have done the signing, and then now have to write it. As I say to you that AB line, there was a AB line, this line parallel to opposite line was EF. That's sentence, and I have written AB parallel to EF. So what about the CD? CD parallel to GH. CD parallel to GH. Parallel is exactly opposite line. If we get C number perpendicular. For perpendicular, we have to resolve this and very clean concepts for these perpendicular. Perpendicular, we have to write this line's name. That's why for the first, if I show you, if I check this line, AB line, then this corner make a right angle. So which line is this? This is GH line, innit? So I have written GH line. And then if I check GH line over here, they make a right angle. So which line is this? This is EF line. I have written EF line. If you see that in this corner they make a right angle, which line is this? This is CD line. So I have written CD line here. But if you see this corner, CD line cross with the AB line, so it's written AB line. It's mean line by line. If you go, then you can find out exactly the perpendicular one. Again I'm saying perpendicular is the L shapes, parallel is exactly opposite line. So question exercise 3.1 is done. Let's turn to the exercise 2.2. Question number 3, we're just doing write the size of these angles. 5 angles they already drawn for you, and 5 options they provide you. So without pie chart, you can guess these angles. I just show you the basic one. First of all, 2 times they have given the right angle. Is it? Right angle is always look like an L shapes, 90 degree. Then half of the right angle. If you think this is right angle, what could be the half of them? So similar like this picture, wherever you get it, this will be the 45 and 150. It's supposed to be less than straight line, is it? So it must be over here. It's supposed to be some approximately like this, is it? And 250 always it's supposed to be the reflex line, something like this, because reflex line we know that it's more than 180 less than 360. So this is our reflex line. Now from the beginning, if I show you that this one, look at this first one is matching with this, so the rest of them is no one is like 45. So I have chosen A, answer is 45. If you can use protector, you can use it, no problem, I don't mind that. But I'm giving the tips those who don't have this protector. So basic smart way we can check these answers. Now I said reflex angle 250, so this is my reflex angle, so B answer is 250. And 90 degree I can get C number and E number. Look at these are look like L shapes, but more than L shapes we are getting only one angle, which is D, 115. so there's 5 options we already uses. Again I'm saying, if you choose these, understand these options, that will be very easy for you. You can choose this answer perfectly with this correct picture. Thanks for today. Allah